Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we learn how to use OTG adapter with normal pen drive and OTG pen drive in Vivo T1 Pro smartphone. Before we start the video, request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So this one is a OTG adapter. This one is a normal pen drive. You need to insert the normal pen drive into the OTG adapter. So after inserting, you need to insert this setup into that Vivo T1 Pro. So wait for a few seconds and open the notification bar. Now you can see SanDisk USB drive is available for open. You need to click on that and use the files. Now you can access the files of the pen drive. So if you want to copy any files, you need to click and hold, then click the 3 button icon here, then choose copy to and select the internal storage, then copy to here. Now the file is copied to the internal storage. The same method you can copy the files from the storage to pen drive also. So before you want to remove the pen drive, you need to open the notification panel again. Now you need to click on this arrow. Now click on eject. So then only you need to remove that. So if you remove before, that will be damage your pen drive or your phone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.